crate up front. Oh, there it is.
Now you probably want to change seats because you're going to be right in the firing line right there. I really hope this is not Garno on here. This is going to be funny if it is. All right, so one's on the helipad and one's on the flare. Actually, you drive. But you don't know how to switch seats.
I don't know how to switch seats.
Alright.
Oh, no.
I'll get out. There you go.
Alright, you ready?
Now when I tell you to stop, make sure you stop. Because if I can headshot that Hazzy dude, he's dead. One hit. Turn to the left a little bit. There you go. Straight. Nope. There you go. Like that. Perfect. Now you're going to have to crouch and look straight at the ground once they start shooting. Alright, stop. Alright, go forward a little bit. Keep going. Alright, stop again. Alright. Not see them.
You want me to keep going?
Hold on. It might have moved. Can I go up a little bit more? Turn to the right where the windshield is facing the oil rig. Alright, stop. We don't want to go any farther than that. You can turn the engine off. Oh, I see Hazzy. Oh, I missed.
Oh, yeah, I see him up top. He's right at the bottom of the tower there, trying to hop up over that crate.
See a bunch of scientists down low.
He's right at the bottom of the tower.
I missed him. He's coming out on that ramp.
Yep. I hit him once,
I'm reloading. Full metal's coming. I hit Hazzy.
I don't see him.
You start getting hit, look straight at the ground. It hides your head.
Oh, they're both right at the...
They're shooting rockets?
Yeah.
That might actually hit us. I know it's short. Oh, our boat's about to sink.
Yeah,
Did that kill you?
got booted out. No, I just got booted out of the boat.
I think that was the only 2 rockets they have. Oh, I'm out of ammo? Hit the full metal. My word, why can I not hit Hazzy? My laser on? Now it is. Hit Hazzy. We're dead. At least our boat's about to blow up. Oh no, he shorted it. Oh, now we're dead. Yeah, he sunk the boat, I think. Yep, he sunk the boat. You can't get on the boat now.
Nope. Now we're swimming.
Yep. But they are terrible shots.
Yes, they are. Oh, I've been diving.
You have a melee weapon by chance?
I do not. Ooh, he almost
He
got
just
me on that one.
wasted 4 HVs. They're so bad. We're so far though.
I should have brought a bolty with.
If I get onto one of these, if we get onto one of these platforms, then I'm gonna take your stuff and get you to respawn and bring the other boat.
Okay.
I should have hopped in the driver's seat when he started shooting those rockets and got out of the way. I wasn't thinking. Oh, Styx is on. No, Styx. If you look to the left, there's a platform.
Yeah, I see ya.
That's an interesting counter.
Yeah.
Crate's still there.
Sucks that we gotta swim.
Yeah, if you could shoot your gun in the water, I'd still be shooting at them.
Yeah.
They're terrible shots. I did not take one hit.
I took one hit. I used one of my med pens.
And there's nothing
actually,
they can do
I'm pretty
because
sure it was from a rocket. I don't even think it was from them shooting me. I think it's from a rocket damage.
yeah. I think they would have to they'd have to like try to shoot us flying over in the mini. Yeah, so respawn in base, just come out and grab fuel and grab the other boat. I'm curious what I had that Hazy on because I hit him twice. Oh, mini's coming. We need to get on this platform quick. They're flying the mini out here.
I'm trying. I'm swimming as fast as I can.
Oh, deario.
Yeah, they are fucking booking right for us right now. And they're
Yep.
flying low, too.
If I can get up here, I have my Tommy. We might have to dive if they get close. If one of them gets on this platform first, we're gonna be dead. I think that's what they're going for.
Yep.
Nope, they flew right over.
Did they? Oh, they did.
Alright, I'm on the platform. Oop,
Nope, they're turning. They're turning. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
I can't get on the platform again.
This way.
Just headshot to the Hazy dude, he's dead. Hazy just got murdered. Okay, let me have your stuff. Respawn, go grab the boat now that one's dead.
Okay.
Boat on the ground, yep.
Come on,
Your ammo,
Tommy.
meds, everything. Yep.
Okay, that's everything.
Alright, F1 kill and,
F1 kill? Oh, okay.
or yeah, just hit escape and
I got
suicide,
it.
yeah.
I got it.
There you go. Now go grab fuel in the boat. We'll go loot that Hazy body.
Come on. You need any ammo while I'm here?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So I'm just grabbing fuel and running for the boat.
Oh, he just picked up the crate. So I'm gonna have to try to snipe him. The crate unlocked, so he's leaving now. Well, he's not leaving yet.
I'm almost back to the boat base here.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, he's leaving now. His body isn't even spawned in.
For all
He's
intents and
flying. He's flying
purposes,
right at me.
is he? For all intents and
Yep.
purposes, I'm not even gonna close the boat gate. I'm just gonna leave it open.
That's fine. His body doesn't exist in the helicopter for some reason. There he goes. Now he spawned in. I didn't hit him. He got away. Alright, we'll go get that Hazy kit.
Why am I not? What the hell's going on here? Oh my god, the fucking boat's stuck.
Just push it. Get out and push it.
I can't, it's in the deep water.
Why is it stuck? Is it upside down?
No, it's like, it turns sideways on the one frickin' gate. I'm gonna try and close the gate and push the boat over.
It's not gonna. The gate won't close with the boat in the way.
Won't even let me fucking stop the engine or nothing. There it goes. Oh my god, it keeps kicking me out of the damn seat.
Yeah, you should be able to push it. You can't get in the water and push it, but you gotta get to the side of it and push it.
I'm out, I'm coming.
Okay. I can see the Hazy body from here. Hopefully he didn't have his gun in his hand. It was a beautiful shot.
I watched him tumble.
Yeah, he was on 90.5. And I shot him in the head and he instantly died. He instantly went to 0. I see you. I can headshot you.
Don't you do it.
Alright, so we need from this, we need to go exactly like 31 degrees from this little platform. Alright, look in the front real quick. Hold on. Alright, you should be good with that. Oh wait, you need ammo. There you go.
Alright.
31 degrees from this platform, so from the left side of it, it should be like 30. There it is. No, I just saw it. Where did he go?
Bottle.
There he is. It just turned into a bag.
Oh, there it is, yeah.
Oh, he better have had comps and stuff on him. Oh, he did.
Nice.
Large furnace, auto turret, scrap. He had his gun out. He had his gun out when he died. He has some Russian name that I don't recognize. I got everything though,
Yeah, you go.
except his gun. He was probably, well, he had pistol bullets and rifle bullets. I think he had a Tommy though, because he was shooting at us with Tommy. Alright, well, we can't counter large. If I would have known that they were that bad, I would have just pushed up. But then again, we might have got HV rocketed on the
rig, yeah.
on the rig instead of Alright, is there anywhere else to get red that's closer? Power plant's close to the shore, but it's not where it's going all the way up there. That's why they didn't answer when I said, has he said XB? Can't believe they wasted 5 or 6
Yeah, rockets.
HV rockets on. I'm not even sure those were HVs. Like they were, the way they were shooting, they had to be.
They had to have been.
All right. Wonder how. Oh, the trains go to train yard. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down the trains at Junk, and we're gonna take trains to
Okay.
train yard. All right. I have fuel on me now, so and bring that should be enough fuel to get us there. Let's see what the train tunnels look like. Yeah, it's literally just straight down and to the right. Only 2 stops.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some more ammo if we're gonna run train tunnels.
Yep. I think I'm gonna grab a SAR. Actually, I think I might bring my Bolty because the train scientists are one-shot headshots with Bolty.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna bring Bolty Tommy. Grab you some more ammo. Oh, did you see I made a box full of bandages too?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Just brought back more from that dude.
Okay.
And more syringes.
I think I'm gonna grab a. Oh, what's on the custom? A flashlight? I think maybe I'll run this custom as my second.
Yeah, you don't have to run a second, but is your Tommy about to break?
It's at half.
Yeah, we'll bring a second then. Won't hurt nothing. You squish me into those.
Oh, I don't know. I thought I heard you run out. My bad.
No, you're good. Well, I need to open this again for the house box. Got a large furnace and a turret.
Well, I should probably grab some more food.
Some horse armor. Okay, I got meds, I got ammo, I got fuel. I'm gonna bring this cloth just in case.
Oh,
I got cards and I got fuse. Alright, now you can shut all the doors.
Looking to see. There's a water jug.
Oh, I don't have a flashlight. Hold on. Grab a flashlight real quick.
I have one on both my guns.
Yeah, give me one of those because you can just switch yours. Alright.
Oh. Alright, here we go again. Come on, stupid. There, we got her.
Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Come on. So why don't you like the customs? Just because is the accuracy that bad on them?
The accuracy is rough, the damage is not too good, and the control is awful because they shoot super fast.
Gotcha.
If you like use them like a SAR and single tap them, they're not bad. But if you're like in a gunfight and you're trying to spray and control the recoil, it's almost impossible. That was funny. I was not expecting to hit that shot. I just swung, shot, and headshotted that dude. See, if I could have headshotted him on the rig like I was trying to, and I would have pushed, like I would have pushed up
Yeah.
at that point. With only one guy there, he can't HV both of us if we don't stand too close together. Watch the bear behind you.
Where's that tunnel entrance? It's right over here, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm running
Yeah,
towards
we're
it.
almost to it. Going down. Maybe. Oh God, stop being an idiot.
My word, this is the longest tunnel entrance.
Yes, it is.
Let me go first. Dead. Dead. Oh, he ducked right underneath my shot. Dead. Right. Dead.
Fuse and
Be a good
scrap.
loot run too. Oh, we may as well loot the tunnels if we're down here.
Yeah.
Refuse.
Yeah, I don't know where all the loot is down here. The 2 times I've successfully done it, I just killed the scientists, taken whatever they had, and got out of here.
Go over here on the
right
side where I just shot that dude. There's millie crates over here sometimes. Yeah, see, there's one over here right now. 21 high qual on it.
Nice.
Ooh, some pants. So this area is like the main loot area. And then pretty much everywhere you're getting shot at by scientists, there will be loot boxes.
Gotcha.
Anywhere along the tracks, which I guess you've only come this far, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh, med stick. Don't need rope. So then if you go in, I guess you've seen them run trains on their YouTube videos.
Yeah.
I think this is the door. Is this the way we need to go? Yeah.
I want to close this door behind us. Oh, if not, I did. How do I
Then
get on the back?
right here. Anywhere like behind this fuel tank like this or on top of the fuel tank like this is pretty safe. And this is one of the things that you can actually get out while it's driving, and I need to direct it because I need to go straight, then to the right. So I need to hold left. Then I'll need to go to the right. There may be scientists in this long hallway right here. Yep.
Hit him. I've hit them both, but.
Didn't headshot either one of those. I just hit them. Gonna start us going forward slow. Alright, hop off and loot the ones behind. I'll loot the ones up here.
Ooh, got a bean can grenade.
Nice.
Start of a
Can
boom.
loot
Got a hazy too.
another pair of pants. I'll take it.
I don't think we need fire arrows and bow and arrows.
No.
We're not poor anymore.
Alright. Easy to do with a bolty. In my next turn, I need to go right. Also, be careful, like, don't shoot from right here, because I hop out of the door right here, and you might accidentally shoot me if I hop out. We're gonna pass those up. I'm gonna pass them up, shoot them.
Oh my god. A whole clip. A whole damn clip and they still don't die. I should have brought a bolty.
It's alright. That dude had absolutely nothing. Ooh. Oh, people are doing military base. It's gonna be fun because there we're gonna get countered at train yard. Shotgun trap. Alright. Here. Stack this. Alright. Oh my word.
You know what I should have brought instead of this freaking custom is a SAR. That's what I should have brought.
You on?
Nah, yeah, I'm on.
Right, now this is like the first one we were at. Could have silenced my bolty, but well. We're gonna leave the, oh, grab the fuel. It's in that box behind the engine, yeah. Ooh. Really crate? SMG body. Use. Ow. Go a little head out. Oh, I missed him.
I got him. The second one.
I killed him. I looted all those boxes. I'm gonna throw some more stuff right here to stack. And grab that guy too.
like stone fireplace.
Ow. Shooting me. Am I cold? Oh, because we're in the desert at night, I think. There's some crates. Oh no, there's no crates down there. Alright, you should be good. Get up top, and I'll show you how to run train yard.
Which door did you go? Okay, right here, never mind.
I don't hear shooting at abandoned anymore, which is kind of not good, because that means they're not distracted anymore. Found another flashlight if you want one for both of your guns.
I mean, I could put it on just to save inventory space.
Actually, I think I gave it to you.
No.
I don't know where it went then. I must have accidentally thrown it out.
Is that you that just turned a flashlight on?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's dark out here. Scientists are here too. They're in this building right here. Also a body bag right here, which I'm kind of confused about.
Peek your little fucking head out, jackass.
This is another dead scientist.
Are you looting all
crates.
this?
Yeah, milli crates in here. You can recycle here. And just hold here and listen. And when I tell you, there's a switch. Come here.
Oh, hang on. Where'd you go?
Out the door. There's a switch right there. You see it?
Yep.
Turn your flashlight off. It glows red.
Yep.
So when I tell you, turn that on. I'm going to toggle the lights for the whole area. Whole train yard has lights now.
Do you want to save these propane tanks, or can I just recycle them?
You can recycle them. You can recycle everything on this run. If you hear shooting, it's me killing the scientist in this tower. So to the southwest of where you are, there's a tall gray tower that has one of those switches. Top. Same kind of switch, and there's just one scientist in here. Also, I'm taking rads. Ooh, like a lot of rads. I'm full kit, but I'm taking rads from going up here. What in the world?
I have an extra Hazy suit on me if you need it.
Yeah, I do.
I'm still at the recycler.
Come to the southwest.
Let's see. That's northwest, south. I gotta figure out how the hell I got back, how to get down from here. There you are. Where'd you go?
Behind you.
Oh, okay. Here's a Hazy for you.
Alright. Awesome. I'm 18% rad resistance, and it's not enough. Do I have space for my whole kit? I don't know if I do. I only have 6 lines, which means... Oh, but I'm going to have 7 when I put my Hazy on.
We don't want to recycle springs.
Yeah, we can recycle springs. I think we have 30 or 20.
Okay. That's you shooting, right?
Yep. Alright.
I'm not going to recycle the sewing kits, though.
Okay. Yeah, for real. Thank you for remembering that, because we do need those.
This bean can grenade, I'll probably recycle that, too.
Yeah, or you can save them to make satchels. It doesn't matter either way.
Yeah, I guess you can do that. I'm not going to recycle gears either, because I got 6 gears.
Alright. Oh, I haven't been watching for Garno in the chat. You missed his chance this time. There's a piggo. It can apparently still attack me while I stand on concrete barricades. I don't think there's rads in here, so I should be able to put my suit back on. There is a scientist in here. Oh, yep, there's radiation poisoning, alright. That's stupid. Alright, you can turn your switch on.
Okay, let me get back to that point. Okay, it's on.
Alright.
And I'm done recycling too, so.
The fuse is in. The switch is on. Go out of here. You can come over here then. You're in Hazy or are you in full kit?
I'm in Hazy.
Yeah, you can come over
here. You told
here
me not
then.
to bring my kit.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm probably going to need you to carry loot. I have 84 high qual.
Of course, I'm going the wrong way. Where the hell?
See me right here?
No, I don't.
Come this way. Come towards me. Southeast. You see the really tall building up here with the ladders on the side of it?
Nope, but I'll figure it out.
And I now have 100 high qual. What are you shooting at?
A wolf.
Okay. Straight up the stairs right here.
How the hell do I get up over that wall?
There's an entry to your right, like towards the west side. Yeah, I definitely need you to carry stuff.
You at the top of the stairs?
There's a blue door that's open.
Ah, I gotcha. I'm at the blue door.
Alright, there's stuff on the ground right here. And then in those boxes. Fine. These boxes right here, there's more stuff. Alright. That's all the loot. Let's get out of here.
Whoa, I almost fell off that floor.
And that's the green room right there.
Gotcha. Did we get a red card yet?
Yeah, I got the red card.
Nice.
Now I can put my full kit back on. Alright, back to the trains. I'm not even going to stop to fight scientists on the way back. We're just going to book it through because I have a mostly full inventory.
Yeah, mine's pretty bulked up too. I have over 1,000 metal frags, 298 scrap, 3 fuses, 21 high.
I have another 100 high qual.
Yeah.
You
I
know?
have 21 high qual. I have gunpowder. I got 48 low grade. I got 215 cloth, 8 gears. All kinds of
We have
crap.
2 more large oil runs now.
Once we get back to the base, I'm going to go and smoke real quick and grab something to drink.
Sounds good.
Oh my god, I keep getting stuck on the doorways. It's ridiculous.
It didn't respawn yet. You got the
As I say, we got
boxes
crates.
did. Hey, I found that weapon flashlight.
Did you?
Yeah, it was on a bag right there. This train still sounds like it's running.
It's got a feel
Alright.
in it for you.
The unfun part about this is going backwards. I think I need to go this way. Yeah. You better go straight, train. Yeah, there you go. Alright, get ready to jump off when we go through here. I'm just gonna let the train keep going. Ooh, attack chopper's out.
Thought we weren't killing scientists.
Well, we are now, because I didn't realize that, like, this is where we have to get out. This is where we go up, so we may as well. You know what I'm saying?
Well, he told me to get ready to jump, so I jumped and I booked.
Here you go. Come here.
What the hell I want a wood chest plate for?
No, I didn't throw that stuff down. I just threw it out of a box.
Goddamn fly, get away from me. Ooh, we got some 5.56 ammo off this guy.
Yep. Alright. Well, so since we cleared this area, we'll just go back up. Is the elevator door?
No, that's this one right here.
I'll go up this side, you go up that side.
My elevator's not down here, so I'm having to call it.
That wasn't too shabby of a run. I have 18 HP. Wrong door.
Nope, still not that one.
You're right. It was that one.
Where was that one? Damn it. Come on. Jumped up the ladder like a retard on Chuck E. Cheese.
Oh, hello.
Who's that? Scientist.
Road scientist. He had a SMG body on him and a AR body.
An AR body too?
Not a rifle body.
Oh,
Semi-auto body.
Semi, yeah.
All right. Well, we got the red card. We got plenty of blue cards. We have like 3 days of upkeep in the base. Don't really need to do much more expanding. I think I'm gonna place 4 turrets on top of the base, all facing each other, so that they have full coverage of the base,
Yeah.
and so nobody can get on our roof without like HVing the turrets.
Yeah, they would have
And
to.
they can't get behind the turrets.
No, because they'd have
because
the turrets will cross shoot.
Yeah, the turrets can see each other. And
That's not
see,
a
the
bad
other
idea.
thing is to HV them, they would have to get on top of the rocks.
Wait a minute. I thought this was.
Nope, you went up the wrong one. It's the next one.
I was gonna say, somebody literally leveled our entire base? What the hell?
Yeah, so they'd have to get up here to shoot any of the turrets, and then they're going to be